Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be detangling the rest of my hair so I can twist it up. And I just wanted to show you a little section. So here we go. So I have a natural 4-piece brush set from the Healing Village. It is bamboo material. And I have a paddle brush, a wide tooth comb. It also comes with a pick and the edge brush. So bamboo is really good with helping with flaky scalp. It also reduces toxins introduced to the scalp. Because, when we use plastic has all types of bad chemicals in it. It is also better than using plastic because it's environmentally friendly. Okay. And it increases circulation in the scalp. It adds shine to the hair. And it acts in... excuse me. Excuse me. It also reduces hair loss. Okay, and it stimulates hair growth. So stay tuned and keep watching and see how I brush my hair. Yeah, and I'm gonna do it right now as we speak. So yeah. So as I was doing it, it really glided through my hair. I use my shea butter, and yeah, I feel like it really spread the product through my hair nicely. And it just smoothly went through my hair. I was really shocked because normally I don't use brushes like this with these type of bristles. But this brush in particular actually brushes it smoothly, separates the hair without breaking it and causing damage. This will be my first time using this brush, so I'll keep you updated on any other things that I've experienced. But so far, my hair feels very detangled. As you can see, I love this brush for my facial expressions, okay? But yeah, get you one, okay? Get you a bamboo brush. All right, let's stop using plastic because it ain't good. It ain't good for us, okay? Bamboo is the way to go. Get you one, girl. Or guy, whichever one you are. Yeah. But stay tuned. So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Hey, I told you I was lit. Hey, I told you I won't quit. Hey, watch you make this hit.